Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication in Epic Games. Open any browser, type in Epic Games, and go ahead and log into your account. There we go. Here we click on our account. And then click on Account. Now we need to go to Password and Security. Right, I already have mine enabled. Let me go ahead and log in now. If you haven't set this up before, it's going to look something like this. You can choose whichever option you prefer here. For example, via email, yes. Click it and then enter the code that gets sent to your email address. After entering the code, it'll confirm that you've successfully linked the authenticator, and from now on you'll always need to enter a code from your email to log in. That's basically how it works. That's all for now. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.